How to post a job on WorkAsPro. Welcome to WorkAsPro Channel, where we share tips and tricks on how to use WorkAsPro effectively. Step 1. You need to switch your mode from seller to buyer if you are currently on seller mode. Step 2. You need to connect your MetaMask wallet to WorkAsPro. To do that, click on the Connect Wallet button on the top right corner of the screen. Wait for a few seconds. You will see a message that says, Wallet connected, and your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. Step 3. Fill the following sections. Write job title. Select category. Write brief description. Mention skills. Delivery days. And price. Note, make sure you check in all stable tokens that you want to accept as payment for your job. Congratulations! You have just posted a job on WorkAsPro as a buyer. Now, you can wait for freelancers to apply for your job and choose the best one for your needs.